Hello everyone, my name is HaleyOHalloran, and today I will be playing Home Alone, which I'm sure is very familiar to all of you. It's a very popular film that many companies turned into video games, such as Nintendo Entertainment System, Game Boy, Super NES, Master System, Genesis, Game Gear, etc. For this game, there are many versions, but overall, it's the plot of Kevin McAllister, who is the boy that is home alone, and his family's on vacation, and ultimately, he must prevent Harry and Marv, which are the bad guys, called the Wet Bandits. He must stop them from robbing his home using various objects, weapons, etc. So we are going to play this game. Let's see. So as you can see, this game is very popular. Maybe I said that. So I'm going to press enter to continue, enter to play. So here we are on a sled. So to get into their home, I want to enter the house. So I'm going to click yes with an enter. Let's enter. Alright, so this is Kevin. Avoid all the bad guys. We gotta try and get away from them. Alright, how do I get away from this? We use the controllers to get him left and right, down, up, with the arrow keys. Get him down. Okay, so there was nothing going on there. So let's go to the next. Yes, I want to enter. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Uh-oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no, what? You know what? Okay. So, he just got killed by something first then. So we gotta stay away from those guys. Basically, the ultimate goal is for Kevin to find his family, to stay away from the bad guys. So, he's gotta go through these homes, avoid anyone with weapons. Here we go. Let's go. Oh. Go this way. Go to the front door this time. Uh-oh. Let's get it. Oh, no, we gotta stay away from this guy. So we're gonna... Let's go. Get away, get away, get away, get away. It's not good. It's not good. Alright, go, 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 go. Stay away from those guys. So, moral of the game, you're just trying to stay away from anyone that is trying to rob their home. Oh, see? No, this guy is bad news. We gotta get out of here. So basically it takes place in this neighborhood, and you just gotta avoid any of these bad people to win the game. I think it's pretty interesting because it's pretty similar to the actual film. Just trying to avoid any of the bad guys to get away from that. So overall, it resembles the game very well, and I think the creators did a great job. Thank you, and my name's Haley.